How to install Avast free antivirus in Windows 11. First, go to the browser. Search Avast on search engine. Click on it. Click on download. After download complete, click open. If you don't want to install Avast browser, uncheck it. Click install. After installation complete, Avast will open automatically. Click continue. Select free. You can run first scan. It will scan your whole computer. To skip it, click on close button. And that's how you can install Avast free antivirus in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.